tere päevast, kallid televaatajad! Meil on teile murrangulised uudised. Just to know what it is, we're going to talk to Guruji Ohta, who's the spiritual head of Indian community here in Estonia. Namaskar, Guruji.
Namaskar, Betty.
Guruji, can you explain what was the issue that has been troubling you for so long, and your community as well, from which you are free now?
We in the Indian community have been very successful in our endeavors because we know the secret of time. We know the auspicious times and we know what times of the day are not auspicious. Determining the times outside India, like in Estonia, has been the big problem for us.
Can you elaborate, Gurus?
It's not gurus, it's Gurujis. We in Hindu society have divided the day into 8 segments. Those segments are based on the time of the day and dependent on the sunrise and sunset. Some of the segments are auspicious, some are non-auspicious. Determining the right call or the day of the time has been a source of great confusion in our society.
How so, Guruji?
For example, Rahul Kal, which is the time of the day you shouldn't be doing anything, is different in India and Estonia, based on the time difference between the sunrise and sunset.
So what is the great solution for that, Guruji?
Now we have the app to do all the hard calculations for you. It takes your GPS location and calculates a call for wherever you are, based on your location. So just open the app and be confident, regardless of the city, region and time.
This is wonderful, Guruji.
Yes, Betty. You just open the application and you can never go wrong.
Here it is, ancient science using the latest technology. Just before we sign off, is this an auspicious time for us to be airing this?
Let me check. Amazing! Your TRPs are going to go through the roof.
This is Evelyn signing off for Estonian News. Have a good day.